afternoon, young lady.
They are now here in the Barangay Santa Maria, Barangay Hall, and we are about to interview Honorable Kagawad Tony Fernando.
Yes.
Sir, what year did you start studying in
Oh.
Santa?
I was born in 41. It was during the war. Then after liberation, I enrolled as grade 1 UP of Santa Maria in 1948.
Sir,
Yes.
we would like to ask you the changes in the development of the Santa Maria Central School. The instructional materials, do you use the following inside the classroom? Do you use textbooks, sir?
We use textbook.
During your
Not in all subjects. No. We do have textbooks, but limited to many, not all pupils being issued. We share books.
Do you use movie rolls, sir?
Movie rolls, movie. Oh, those things were not really very much available, unlike today. We do have movie rolls. We have movies in the school ground a few times, sponsored by different companies, but not in the school.
Do you use visual aids, sir?
Visual aids now.
How about tape recorders, sir?
Neither.
The elocution.
No.
How about the oratorical contest?
One.
The dance contest.
I have danced that once in my life. Oh.
Do you join through the singing contest?
I do sing. Would you like me to sing? No?
sample.
Can you have a sample?
No, singer.
Do you join the drum and dance contest, or you should sing the drum and bump?
During our time, we don't have those things. Drum and lyre, drum, bugle, drum and bugle for? No, not those kinds.
The skit or drama contest? Do you join through the journalism? The journalism?
No.
During your time, do you have the Brigada Escuela contest?
Or if you got contest? You got a escuela contest? Is it a contest? This kind of undertaking was introduced only very recently, so 3, 4, 5 years. Of the school children, take note, the parents of the school children will go to the school and talk to the teachers and tell the teachers to discipline the children, even to the extent of spanking children. Allowed, permitted by parents. It's a very different situation now. The teachers, remember, the parents will even go to the school, tell the teachers to discipline to the extent of spanking. Medyo bakano, tamanda pang pega. Tamanda.
Araw ng pwede.
The Honorable Kagawad Tony Fernando. Thank you.
You feel, or the child, 60. You're welcome.
Fun.
here to ask some information about the history of Santa Maria Central School.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
If I can answer correctly.
so ma'am, this this questionnaire the changes in development of Santa Maria Central School from 1930s to present. So, may you know, ma'am, do you use the following inside the classroom? Textbooks.
Elizabeth, you speak a little louder.
Louder.
Do you use the following inside the classroom? Textbooks, ma'am. Movie roll. Movie roll. Visual aid. Visual aid.
Well, yes.
Tape recorder.
What?
Tape recorder.
Page recorder. Wait, I don't think about it. Tape recorder. No, not even.
Radio phone.
The latest is tip to others. Yes, what is others?
These are other things that we didn't use before.
Do you have
Take
the following,
two.
ma'am?
Others.
Do you have the following? The library.
Of course, yes.
The speech lab.
With what?
Speech laboratory. The clinic.
Yes.
Science laboratory.
No.
Home economics.
Yes.
Comfort room.
Of course. Where would we go?
Music room.
Music. No. There would come music in our own
Computer room.
Huh?
The sports room.
No. These are modern things now.
Do you show ma'am the following? Quiz B.
What?
Quiz B. Active.
Very. You know, the mother should come. Ito yun ang maestra el laman, di amo niya lang iluweso ng dila anak daw. They were very, very neat. Strict. Very helpful in discipline.
Population, number of students in the day. Just ask.
Around how many
Around how many?
pupils are inside the room?
Experiment class.
The number of classrooms. How many classrooms do you have?
One classroom for each grade. One classroom for each class.
For each grade level, ma'am, how many? How many? For grade 1.
For grade one for one grade.
One
For
section
class.
per grade level.
Even there are two grade one, two classes of grade one, or there are two also. Two classrooms also.
The form of discipline. Corporal punishment being practiced in your school? If yes, is it effective?
I think if I use it each.
Okay. The form of discipline, corporal punishment.
There was no, at that time there was no more punishment. The corporal punishment
And
starting to diminish.
What year, ma'am?
But it's not so like that now because you cannot even scold the children, no? But during our time we can even scold the children. Not as rigid as you have it now.
What year did did this happen?
The corporal punishment.
Yes.
The corporal punishment were already existing in existence before the war. Before the war, the children were even punished, and they could even be punished. But later on, we can punish the children by making them stand up. We will kill you after that.